Good morning guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. Happy Monday, welcome to the new trading week. Welcome to the second time I've done this video. Don't ask me why it stopped recording after 2 minutes, so I have been done this video. So if it seems like I'm not surprised when I look at the charts, it's not the first time I've seen them or done the analysis, because I have just sat and done the video for you guys. But here we are again. If you wouldn't mind smashing that like button, we will go over to those charts. So so 4 hour, as you can see, looking like we have got rejected basically at these at the underside of this trend line, which we were talking about last night was a possibility, and we are obviously in a zone of numerous overhead resistances, including this horizontal here. So either rejection of this trend line or sort of swing failure above here, and coming back down. Realistically, what we need to do is hold this trend line here, and it basically be a back test of this trend line that we broke, and then onwards and upwards, or at least get held by 10,500 this horizontal. If we don't, realistically we have to be targeting well, at least down to the 11,000, or potentially even wicking down to, or just trading down to the actual downside of this potential descending broadening wedge, if this is an indeed swing failure pattern of the whole basically larger formation that we are potentially in. So yeah, that's kind of what I am looking at there. Interestingly, nearly got to the 4-hour 9 there, nearly got to the 4-hour 9 here. Well, we did get to 4-hour 9 and then we sold off, so maybe it's just a short-term sell off the 4-hour. We'll find out soon. Stochastics, we will go over to those, and I know exactly what these are saying because I've just done it. But yeah, stochastics, the 4-hour, looking like they're coming down. We have stayed up here quite a while, and now we are looking to turn down, so maybe this will have a drag on price. 10-hour looking toppy, but got room to run, and 12-hour looking great though, and daily has just turned back up. So if this gets going, it could save us, it could blast us through these levels. What I am slightly concerned about though, is the weekly stochastics are looking like they're going to turn back down, but this is only in the process of happening. So if we do get the move up from where we are now, this will likely basically undo its downward pose. But what is important to understand, wait, I think my sound might be bad, but if it is, I'm going to sort it out now for you guys, and it was, so apologies for that. Right, the sound is down, so hopefully that has changed that. So yeah, downside in weekly stakes, we did a lot of analysis on it based on this move down here, and we did see that basically we can easily get a 30 to 40% move down in Bitcoin. So that is concerning if we do start to see a move down in this weekly stochastics. And the other thing that was concerning based off weekly charts, well, I say the other thing, bi-weekly obviously has the 9, which obviously could potentially see us making some downside if this wants to even load up. The 9 we can see here, which we're trading lower from. But the other thing was the dollar index here, the dollar index, which whilst is looking very weak, it's looking like it's going to come down. I mean, realistically, the chances are this will come down, but on a weekly time frame, we are on a weekly 9. So the weekly 9, this could basically either bounce us a bit either to one of these levels, well, it could even start a whole reversal, but realistically we could be looking for a bounce to one of these levels, or at least some sideways. And you can see the past weekly 9s we've got. Weekly 9 here didn't do a lot, weekly 9 here did, well, that is still a good move down. That is a move equal to basically this moving up to about here. This weekly 9 again the same, move down is equal pretty much to the move up there. So we could be seeing a move in the dollar potentially to the high 94s, and that would obviously coinciding with Bitcoin's weekly stochastic downtrend trend, this would bring Bitcoin down, guys. This would bring the price down, so we need to definitely be cognizant of that fact. If we do break this 11,500, we could very likely be seeing a move down to, well, either 11k or the bottom side here. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. So yeah, a bit quicker with analysis this morning, seeing as I knew exactly what I was looking at because we've already done it. So yeah, remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I'll catch you guys later on today. We have got the Monday update, the weekly update we do of our 27 altcoins. I'm going to do the Forex video and look at some of the other markets and stocks and shares and individual companies and miners. I'm going to do that today. and then obviously we'll have our Bitcoin evening wrap and our Binance update, Binance MXC and 3Commas update. So yeah, thanks for listening, guys. Yeah, again, not a financial advisor, not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I will speak to you guys later on today.